Hi there, it's Stuart here. I've got something really incredible that I'm very proud to say that I've coded and built myself. It's quite incredible. I don't know if there's anything else out there like this. It's not a completely usable as a product or software without manual input as a setup process. But for the user, it's incredible. So on the screen you can see a website here. This is a website I've built in WordPress, and here is a denture Q&A blog page, essentially something I've set up for the denture directory, and it will publish and display any blog post like this. Now, this is a Q&A style blog post, so very much of the they ask, you answer way of producing very good quality SEO content blog. So if you don't know why that's so important now for SEO, have a look at it. There's a guy called Marcus Sheridan who wrote a book about it, and it's fantastic. So if you want to know why that is so powerful for SEO, then go and have a look at it. It basically is answering questions that the people in your industry or your market, the types of things they are searching. So, for example, in this case, you can see three questions here already. Can I get dentures if I still have some natural teeth? Am I too young to wear dentures? How do you know? How do I know if I need dentures? So it's all these types of things that people will be typing in to Google or other search engines and AI to get answers. And so what essentially we're doing is providing the answers. So we're asking the question, providing the answer, and therefore this should pick up in the algorithms because your website is now solving people's problems, answering their questions, and will be marked as an important site that does that, and that will boost your SEO score and rating. So that's the principle behind it. Now it takes quite a long time. I'll show you a post I've written. Can broken partial dentures be repaired? So I wrote this. You can see here. This is the blog page as it presents. You put headers in, you put images in, you give the information. I've even got an Amazon affiliate link here for a product that we're not even recommending, but it's there anyway because people do buy them. And yeah, there's lots of information here. There's external links and internal links. It takes quite some time to log into WordPress, write that post, add all the images, make sure you put all your tags in, make sure you do everything else to ensure that blog post is fully SEO compliant. Let's call it that. So, with that in mind, I've built something using AI, using Python, using Windows, and building a script. I've built something quite incredible. If I just minimize this here, this is a shortcut to it. This is going to activate a program, a script, and just to show you, if we go back to the site quickly, let's just go back to the Denture Q&A landing page. So this is where the new posts will appear. So let's just go down here. I double click this. It's activating. I'll just drag this over because it's gone on my other screen. It's activated the process that we wanted via a command box. So let's just, we'll leave that up actually. Whilst I'm there, I will pull up my notes on what this system is, what I've done basically, essentially what this does. So this will build a blog, title driven content creation. It's going to uses a Google Sheet. So all I have to do is write in the Google Sheet the titles for what I want to publish as the blogs. Okay, so just have a long list of them on Google Sheets, it's Google Sheets, and it will automatically pick the next one in line. Okay, so it'll just go through that list. So if I have 1,000 on there, it will write 1,000. Now, one at a time, obviously. So every time I double click that button, bang, it writes this 1,000 word blog. It's using AI to generate the content. This includes meta description, line breaks, dividers, headers. There's dynamic and internal external links. It gives accurate things like, for example, this particular one gives accurate pricing and reference to another pricing page. It adds a featured image for the post as well, which is really important. And we've done that by just uploading loads and loads and loads and loads of images into the WordPress media folder and just having a specified name attached to them. And it will pick one randomly, but it will never use that same image again. It will add tags based on the headers that we use in the content. It will update the Google Sheet as it goes to ensure that blogs aren't duplicated, and it has a certain amount of integration with all-in-one search engine optimization plugin externally, because that's via a little bit of PHP editing, very simple bit of coding. Bonus also is that it will use a PHP hook for the focus key phrase. So it will add a focus key phrase in a hidden HTML format that will then pick up for the SEO score. Requirements to set this up: you will need a live WordPress website. You will need you'll need the all-in-one SEO plugin. That can be the free or the pro version, and then you'll need access to you'll need lots of images. So I use Unsplash, and I can just find the images I want and upload lots of them to the website. So you'll need images that can be referenced to. You need to be able to a Gmail account so that you can access Google Sheets, and that's about it really. Then I can build this system for you. So essentially what you'll end up with is loads of basically the click of a button, an automated WordPress blog, which I'm just about to show you now. So here, post published, I don't know if you saw this pop up, but it takes about probably 2 minutes to do it, 2 or 3 minutes. So let's minimize this. We'll go back to our blog. Now all we do now is just press the refresh button and you'll see that the new one has appeared here. So this is the blog. Do I need to have all my teeth removed to get dentures? The answer to that is obviously no. It's picked this image here, which is a little bit random, but you know, it's not ridiculous. And don't forget, you can always go in and you can make changes to your blogs if you need to. This is how we display them. You can display your blogs however you want, and the particular author here I've set and named as Arlot Media. This can be, again, any WordPress user profile. Okay, so here we go. Down here, yeah, we've got big title header, and then all the different headings. Mouse is playing up. You've got links to full dentures page here, partial dentures. You've got a little bit about how cost with an internal link. So lots of internal links and a couple of external links here, an external link to the NHS. So very high quality blog. If we look at, there's 1,000 words as well. If we look at, I just want to go into posts and we go to this one, for example. It doesn't come up with the SEO score here. Not quite sure why at the moment. I'm trying to fix that glitch. But if we go into edit post and look up here, this is our latest post. This one here, 81 out of 100. It's green. That is the score. So not bad. I'm going to try and get this improved. This is the heading score. I don't think that's going to be too difficult to get that up. We just got to make a couple of adjustments to the script. But yeah, you can see it there, how it's written it. It's incredible. Let's do one more so I can show you how that I'm not fibbing here. We're doing it live. drag that over again. This is, so set the image, it's saying there, and then it will pop up here again once it's published the post. And just go back in there, refresh it, and you'll see the post there. That's it. I can sit here and I can just keep pumping out as many blog posts as I want. Now, what I'm also going to do is set probably a macro or some kind of automated post so that this will do it at set times and days. So I'll probably post 4 times a week at different times, and as long as there's something in that Google Sheet, with a title like this, then it will just keep posting the blogs, all automated, all done for you. There we go. That's it. So, by the way, if I press any key, it will. Oh, it doesn't do it 'cause it's on my other screen, but it would typically close that when you press any key. Irrelevant. Okay, so let's draw this back up again. Let's go back to the Q&A page. There we go. What happens if I don't replace my missing teeth with dentures? And we've got a lovely aged rock and roll star there. But yeah, that's it. It's done it again. Let's just have a little look at that. What happens if I don't replace my missing teeth with dentures? Introduction, the importance. Don't forget all these: bone loss, importance of missing teeth, difficulty speaking and eating. All these will be added as tags as well to the blog. So I think it's a really powerful tool. I think I haven't. This is the first one I've set. This is the very first website I've set it up for. So my next job now is to build it again for an alternative website and just see how long that takes me, how long that process is, and once I've done it, replicated it once, I'm going to have an idea about how I'm going to offer this as a service to other businesses, companies, agencies, so they can see, so they can utilize this process that I've designed. Now, please keep an eye out. Subscribe to the channel. I'll put up something extra, another post with more details, or I'll update the description if you want me to provide this for you. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope we can get this up and running for you sometime soon. Thanks.